Yeah, welcome guys. And broken glass superstitions is the today's video title, and this is a continuation from the previous video that I was talking about symbolism of glass and what broken glass means and all that. The video is right here. You can go and check it out. And so today in this video I will be handling broken glass superstitions, and there are many superstitions about broken glass, and these are present in various cultural concepts. Superstitions about broken glass represent a mixture of different beliefs coming from all over the world. These folks' beliefs and superstitions are related to various glass objects. A broken bowl or a cup made of glass is considered a lucky sign. It is associated with money and fortune. It means you're about to receive some good news regarding your financial status, or that there is a celebration coming your way. Broken cups, plates, and everything else usually symbolize happiness, happy events, gathering, abundance, or prosperity. Sometimes a glass is broken intentionally as a ritual to chase away evil and bring good fortune. For example, Jewish wedding ceremony features breaking of glass to ward away evil spirits and make marriage long-lasting and love eternal. If a wine glass or even a bottle has been broken while people are tossing or so, it is considered particularly a fortune sign. There's a common naval tradition to breaking of a bottle of champagne over a bow of a ship to ensure a safe voyage and luck all the crew and the ship herself. It's an old and common part of ceremonial launching of a ship. It is called ship christening. If you break a figurine made of glass, the meaning depends on what the figurine represented to you. If it was particularly important one to you, then it means that you will lose something near in the future. It could be anything from material possessions to people in your life. It happens that people who are dealing with a loss break glass objects accidentally or see broken glass objects. In that case, it is a sign of guidance and comfort, although not particularly enjoyable. This phenomenon means that you should accept the fact you have lost something or someone and move on. No loss is easy to accept, so it's normal you feel sad and lacking motivation. However, broken glass object says what has been done, it's done, and you cannot do much about it. Particularly controversial are superstitions about broken mirrors that are indeed made of glass. Folk beliefs are many and they are quite similar all around the globe. Generally, to break a mirror is bad luck. The most common superstition is that you will have 7 years of misfortune if you break a mirror. Some objects made of glass or featuring parts made of glass are particularly symbolic, interesting if broken. For example, a broken watch or a clock made of glass is a bad omen. It symbolizes stagnation and delay. It means you will be stuck in an unpleasant situation. A broken glass watch or clock or sunglass means you will not progress at least for some time. It could also be a warning sign. You should be patient and wait, not to rush into things or anything. On the other side, such objects, if broken, symbolize what is called dead time. So it would be the best to get rid of them in order to move forward and progress. Breaking glass accidentally is usually taken as warning signs. For example, if you break a glass accidentally, it means you should be cautious about people around, and especially to reasonably handle our money. Seeing broken glass often symbolizes disappointments, disconnection, isolation, broken friendships, or so on. A broken window symbolizes your fragility and weakness. I had already mentioned this in the previous video, the beginning of this art piece. It means that there is nothing to protect you and your own invisible protective shield is damaged in a way. It usually means that you are either preoccupied with taking care of things around you that you neglect your own well-being, of which most people find themselves doing this. They want to be superhero to everyone and they neglect themselves. A broken window suggests that you should take time for yourself and start repairing your protective aura. Start thinking about yourself. Yeah. Particularly interesting field in analysis of broken glass symbolism are dreams about broken glass. There are many scenarios that would rarely happen in reality, but are related to broken glass and have powerful meanings. For example, walking on broken glass or eating broken glass. If you dream about eating broken glass, it could be very discomforting and scary. This could be quite a terrifying dream experience, but what does it mean? Well, its meaning is not good at all. However, it could be a good lesson. This dream means you're unable to tell something to someone for any reason. It could also mean you have decided to keep silent, but it eats you from the inside. This scary dream also reflects unwillingness and fear to speak up your mind. You are afraid of being judged or rejected and criticized whatsoever. It could also happen that you have such a dream after saying or doing something you're not proud of, but are unwilling to face the consequences. If you dream about stepping on broken glass, or if it happens in reality, it means you are in danger. It means that there are people around you who do not wish you well at all. It means your path will be full of danger and obstacles you have to go through on your own without anyone's help and support. This phenomenon, both in dreams and in waking life, symbolizes difficulties and shiftiness of reality. Dreams about broken glass should remind us life goes on and that changes are inevitable. So, what do we learn from all these, the two videos on broken glass? It's that some things are about to be lost or broken along the way, but that is not meant to discourage us, but to make space for the new things to come. And with that, we come to the end of this video and the 2 episodes, and I'll see you in the next one. Guys, stay passionate and be creative. Bye.